Hey, good evening. Mark Nelson here in the First Live Local Weather Center. Well, here in the Portland metro area, even though it's dry for now, we are technically under winter weather advisory from the Weather Service. And that's because some specific spots in the metro area could see either just a dusting of snow tonight or more likely some spots of freezing rain. Let me go into it here. You see the temperatures a little bit warmer than what we'd like to see if we had some sort of widespread snow or ice event on the way. And sure enough, that's not what we are expecting. Notice this is at 6 p.m., just turning to the 6 o'clock hour. 40 degrees here in Portland, a lot of upper 30s around the area. You know what you're probably noticing, though, a gusty northeast wind. It's gusting to around 40 here in Portland, gusting over 40 or 50 out in the gorge there. Glen Jackson Bridge, windy up in the West Hills, and that is bringing cold air in through the Columbia River Gorge at the low elevations. And then overhead tonight, some moisture comes up from the south. This is our classic setup for a snow or ice storm here. But two things going on. One, it's not all that cold, and the other is there's not that much moisture. By the time we get to tomorrow morning, it's pretty much dry. We just have scattered showers coming up through tomorrow morning. And then, by the way, your Sunday afternoon temperatures around 40, and Monday and Tuesday should be dry. So freezing rain tonight. Here's the deal. I think where it's cold, where the air is coming out of the gorge, we could drop down very close to freezing. So these areas mainly east of I-205, north of about Happy Valley, and then heading back down towards the gorge. That's where we could see some icing on trees, objects outside. It's going to be tough to get icing on roads unless it drops to about 30 degrees. That might happen right around Troutdale. There's one other spot where that could happen tonight, some icing on the trees and the objects. That would be the top of the West Hills. And this is after we get a brief dusting of snow, maybe around 11 midnight at the top of the West Hill. So anybody may see snow in the air tonight in the metro area for a couple hours, and then we go to this freezing rain setup just in those specific spots. That's it. I bet you 95% of us wake up tomorrow morning in the metro area and say, oh, nothing happened. I see a few showers out there. I think that's what's going to happen. So we look for a high temperature about 40 degrees. We've got the strong easterly wind will continue throughout the daytime tomorrow. We'll see you back here. We've got fresh model information coming in this evening back here at 8 o'clock and 9 o'clock on Fox 12 Plus and over on Fox 12 at 10 o'clock. We'll see you then.